In this video, I'm going to be revealing 5 key things that help me improve as a music producer and how these simple yet powerful tools can help you achieve your music production goals. Each of these 5 tips are connected, building on the previous one, so you're going to want to stick around for the last one. Let's get the ball rolling. So obviously, the very first thing you have to do to improve as a music producer is to first of all learn and then practice. We have all been on that boat where we just watch a YouTube video and then we just assume that we already know it. But when it comes to the time to execute, we find ourselves always going back to that video, watching it, and then following along. And it goes the other way around. If you are practicing every single day without gaining any new information, learning any new thing, most especially when you're in the early stages of your music production journey, when you're just learning the basics and everything, technically it's still also a waste of time. There is so much to learn and there is no end to this learning. So to help guide you, I've listed out some very important topics to learn and improve on in regards to making music. And you can check out some of the videos on this channel also, as I have covered some of the topics right here. Now let's be real, most of us are already doing this to some extent, but this next tip I want to share with you is one that requires a bit more intention and awareness. And I'm talking about making remixes of your favorite or popular songs. Now you might be wondering what is so special about making remixes of other songs. But here's the thing. By remixing a song that's already been professionally produced and widely accepted, you get a direct comparison between your work and the industry standard. This comparison is incredibly valuable as it allows you to identify areas where your skill needs improvement by analyzing what works well in the original track and how it differs from your remix. It's a unique way to learn from the best, and I highly recommend you give it a try. With that in mind, let's get practical and explore how to actually apply this concept. It's actually way simpler than you think. As we all know, most songs can be further broken down into various sections and segments. Like you have the chords, you have the melodies, you have the drums, you have the vocals, you have the bass, alright? And with AI-powered tools like the stem separation in FL Studio or websites like fadeR.com, you can easily isolate and extract these individual elements. Once you have these stems, you can start by analyzing each element. Listen to the drums, you listen to the chords, listen to the melodies, listen to the sound they use, and try to find out what makes them unique. You can then use this inspiration you've gotten and apply them to your own version. It is that simple. So speaking about finding inspirations, let's talk about sample packs. For me, this was a total game changer. While I know some producers might still be a bit hesitant to use them, probably they're saying they always want to create their songs from scratch, they want to own their own sound and everything. But here is the thing, even the greatest producers borrow ideas from others. As the saying goes, good artists copy, but great artists steal. It's about taking inspiration from others and making it your own. Sample packs can be an incredible resource for sparking creativity and taking your production to the next level. So don't be afraid to explore and see what you can create. Check out the link in the description to visit our website where we have samples created just for you. Now, with the right sounds in your arsenal, it's time to focus on the tools that will help you bring your visions to life. This next tip I want to share with you is one that made a profound impact on my music production journey. And I'm referring to improving on your music production gear and equipment. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Isn't this all about the music, like gear doesn't matter and all those sort of things? And to that I say, not entirely. While it's true that what makes a good song is not necessarily the equipment you use, having better gear can elevate your sound and take your productions to the next level. In my own experience, upgrading to a better equipment made a significant impact in my productions. When I first got my first high-quality studio headphones, it was like as if a veil was unveiled. I could hear the frequencies more clearly and my mixes improved dramatically. The point here is, better equipment can amplify your existing skill and knowledge. It's not about relying on the gear to make up of a lack of skill or technique. It's about giving yourself the tool you need to take your productions to another level. Having better equipment, you see, is a very, very great option. But there is one thing that is even better than everything we have covered so far: having a mentor. A mentor is someone who has been where you are and passed that road that you are passing at the moment and is willing to share that knowledge, experience and expertise with you. With a mentor, you get personalized guidance, feedback and support. Having a mentor can literally cut your learning time in half. Something that can take you a year to achieve on your own can be achieved in just a few months with the right guidance. As a self-taught producer myself, I know firsthand how challenging it can be to navigate this music production journey without any guidance. That is why I'm excited to offer my support to you. If you're looking for mentorship or guidance or someone to just bounce knowledge off, I am here to help. Feel free to reach out to me directly on Instagram at CEO Nations. There's a link in the description. Send me a DM. Let's chat. Let's talk about your music production goals and let's see how I can assist you. Now, I would love to hear from you. What's that one thing that helped you take your music production skills to another level? Trust me, your insights could be the missing piece that helps another producer break through a creative block and achieve their goals. Share your knowledge and let's continue to learn and grow together. So a good starting point from here is to click on this video right now showing on your screen that talks about sound selection in music. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and also enable notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos when I post them. Thanks guys for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.